Today I'm going to show you how to load some impulse responses into your Kemper. So let's get to it. So you're going to go to your Kemper Profiler and you're going to turn it on to browser. And it is going to do its startup routine. Obviously I'll edit this now and jump to the next bit. So now you're going to locate on the back of your Kemper where it says USB, and you're going to insert your USB drive as so. When you've inserted your USB drive, external storage shows up. You're going to press this soft button. Now, if it's the first time that you've put it in, you're going to press this and get it to format your USB so that the Kemper will talk to your USB. So it'll format. Now be aware, if you format it, you lose all your files. So take all the files off that you need that are on your USB stick, if there are any, before you format. So I have impulse responses on my computer from Ownhammer. So I'm just going to go into the Ownhammer folder there, in my downloads folder, and I'm going to select the folder that's marked Kemper. That's important. We'll talk about that in a second. I'm going to go into the mics folder there, and you'll see that these are KIPR files, .KIPR files. That means that they work with the Kemper. That's the ones that we want to get. If you don't have KIPR files and you only have .wav files, then you need to download the cab maker from the Kemper website and convert your .wav files into .KIPR files. Now I'm just copying the files over to the USB stick, putting them in my shared directory. If you don't have a shared directory, just put them in the topmost directory in your USB stick so that the Kemper can easily see it. So now they're copied. All we do is eject the USB stick and away we go. So I want to import, so I'm going to press that and it is going to do its thing. Import. And you can see this might take a moment. So now we've successfully imported rigs and presets. What it means is I've imported the impulse responses into the Kemper. Now to find the cabinet models that we've just put in, the impulse responses, I'm going to hold down that. We get a change to here. We're going to browse, and you can see presets comes up, and here are the Ownhammer impulse responses that I've just put into the Kemper. Voila. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe below, or if you'd like to check out some other videos, click on the videos on the right. Thanks.